Cut! People. Alright, let's try this one more time. Hey, what's up, people? NYC Unboxing Guy here, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see, things have improved. Got the light here. Got my daughter over here sniggling and giggling. Oh. Let's turn y'all back around here. But yes, right now, we got a very special unboxing. Hey! Weebil S. You see that? See, right now, y'all are on the S10 because I'm doing something with this right now. But this is the Weebil S gimbal for mirrorless and 4/3 and various cameras like me with the Lumix G7 Panasonic. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so here we have the Weebil. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Let's rip this little bit of plastic off. I noticed when I was taking it out, it felt like this is, yep, this is styrofoam. This is not hard plastic at all. Okay, so first you get some paperwork, service card. Okay, this is all the accessories I guess you could buy for it. Okay. And now for the star of the show. Let's get that open. Oh, I got it upside down. What's going on here? Turn it over. There we go. Boom. Okay, so I guess here you have your batteries. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure what that is. Get over there. Okay, you have your various, let's see. Okay, of course, your various wires. This thing comes with a bunch of wires. And your screws. And then, of course, we have the gimbal itself. The Weebil S. The Zhiyun, however you say it. But the Weebil S. Feels very solid and, you know, feels pretty good. The mounting plate with, of course, the support for your lens and the arm slash tripod. Wow, this is pretty sturdy, pretty solid, and the battery tray. Okay, so we're gonna get it put together. Be right back with you.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now after much work, this is like an hour later, it is now all done, all together, all done. Could do all that fly stuff. Okay, so here we have the Zhiyun Weebil S. There you go. And currently it's in lock mode because you can lock the gimbal with these little red buttons right here. Basically, and not even so much buttons as little clicky things, and basically through that it helps you be able to transport the gimbal and be able to lock the gimbal while you're using it, which is very handy. So let me show y'all quickly how you mount your camera to the gimbal. The gimbal comes with this little plate here that you screw onto your camera. And then after that, it allows you to be able to quickly put the camera onto the gimbal and release it quickly with this button here. And if you have a thicker lens, then you add on the support that comes with it. But my lens is a small lens. It's the kit lens that the camera came with. So you screw this base on, this base plate, onto the gimbal. Push that button down. You screw this down. And it's connected. And it's very sturdy connection. The camera's in no risk of falling off. Okay, now what I usually do is I'll leave the bottom block on, which helps you be able to release this one. Push that down there, you release that. That axis. And then you hit the other button right here and you release the other axis, and then you're good. And yes, and then also release the bottom one, and then you'll know your gimbal is balanced if you could leave it in a position and it stays that way. I actually just took the base plate off, so I have to do some minor adjustments, but basically for the most part the gimbal is balanced and the camera is balanced with the gimbal. As a matter of fact, I'll turn it on real quick. I recommend you do your adjustments first before you turn the gimbal on, but just to show y'all real quick, you hold that power button down there, and then you're stable. Currently right now, I have the gimbal on my own personal settings, which slows down the left to right of it just a minor bit, but for the most part, you know, it's pretty close to the speed that it comes with. And also one of the best and most important features to me, but this actually, excuse me, this didn't come with the gimbal. This is my own tripod. The gimbal actually looks just like this. Best features that I like the most is that you could take off the tripod legs, screw it in like that, and then you could very easily go into underslung mode. Let me back up for y'all so y'all can see that, which helps you get low to the ground shots. And sometimes I feel more comfortable even catching the higher shots with this as a little handle, which helps me stabilize. So here you have it, the Zhiyun Weebil S. I love it, A+. Oh yes, and also there is a locking feature. I know it's not gonna focus up, but there's a locking feature which stops these legs from unscrewing, which helps a lot because they will come loose when you're doing various movements and various things with the gimbal. So that stops it from coming off, so it's completely secure. NYCUNBOXINGGUY.